Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please go subscribe today. And today we are going to be playing Roblox. And I'm sorry if my voice isn't gonna be like super, like high today in this video. I don't know why. I just don't want it to be high a lot. Because okay, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so today we are going to. By the way, guys, I had Roblox and now I have zero because I wasted it. And here's my new avatar, guys. Anyways, guys, so today we are going to be playing Pick a Side. So yeah, and I know you guys can't see my whole screen, but I finally found a screen recorder on my computer. I know you guys can't see my whole screen. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. Okay, anyways, so yeah. I am gonna get a little bit cringy in this game. I mean, in this video, but we can deal with it. Okay? I hope we can deal with it. My friends keep on saying that I'm so cringy. Okay, we need to lower the music. I don't want any music here. Okay. Okay, there. No more music. Okay. So, here we go. Understand that. Be the teacher's pet. Be hated by the teacher. Probably be hated by the teacher because I'm not gonna be anyone's pet. I don't know if that's a bad thing or I'm glitched. Okay. I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. To be the teacher's pet, but I pick not to be. Okay. This is my new weapon. I'll set people on fire. I don't want any. Ooh, I'm gonna set people on fire. Okay. Yeah. So, next round. Oh my god, I feel so bad for you guys. You guys cannot see my whole screen. Okay. Well, anyway, you guys can only, see half of my screen. I guess, yeah, kind of half. Okay. Next is, have a baby dragon, have a baby phoenix. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but phoenix. Okay. Probably phoenix. I don't even know what that is, but I'm not gonna have a dragon. It's like, it breathes fire. What are you talking about? Ooh, it's even. Okay. Come on. Are you gonna help us? Okay. Are you gonna help us or what? Oh god, I'm glitched. Oh no, they're coming. Boom. They're coming. Okay, I'm literally about to die. Okay, I'll set you guys on fire, okay? Ooh, I set everyone on fire. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I killed someone. By the way, guys, my username is InquisitorMaster101. If you guys want to follow me on Roblox, InquisitorMaster101. I am thinking about changing it soon. But I don't know what name yet. Ooh, okay, yay, I killed that person. Okay, we're good, girl. Okay, there's only 2 people left, me and another girl. Okay. Oh my god, we only did 2 rounds and I've been recording for 4 minutes already. 4 more minutes and 30 seconds, about 30 seconds. Okay. Ooh, I do not want to show the comments, the chats. Oh god, I don't know how to cover the. Okay. Just don't mind the comments. Anyways, be the best known person in a small band that under 200 people know. Be some guy on the sidelines of your favorite band. Song. I don't know. by the way, guys, I really like how. Ooh, there's only 4 people here. Okay. Anyways, what I like about this game the most is that the sides are like red and blue. And if you guys did not know, here's a little bit something. Oh no, I'm glitched again. Here's a little bit of something you guys did not. Ooh, let's see what happened. Here's a little something you guys do not know about me. My favorite color is blue, and my friend's favorite color is red. So, her name's Lisa, and so this would be her favorite color, and that's mine. So it's pretty cool. But anyways, guys, so I'm almost gonna die, but I'm gonna set people on fire. Ooh, the mailman came. Oh my god, I need to charge my computer. Oh god, okay. What is happening? I keep on lagging, girl. Okay, it's a tie, yay. Okay, I need to get my charger now. Hold up, guys. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna move spots. I'm gonna go on my bed. Oh my god. Be quiet, I'm gonna do a video. I'm doing a video. So, guys, now, okay, I need to pick this up. Okay, wear clothes with brighter colors. Wear clothes with darker colors. I just hit myself. I'm not that kind of person who would wear light colors. I'd rather pick dark colors. Oh my god, no, is it only me? Only? Oh no, I'm scared now. Oh god. Well, it's obvious I'm gonna lose. Be quiet, I'm doing a video. Be quiet, I don't care if your voice is on here. Oh god, I'm almost dead. Oh. Okay, next round. I don't care if your voice is gonna be in the video. Don't say any bad words. So that's technically my sister, Fatima. Stop! Stop! You're so annoying! Stop! You! Oh my god, she just said the F word 4 times. No, I don't. It's only when I get mad. No, I don't. I didn't even read what I did. Stop, Ultimate, shut up. I don't care. Be quiet. They didn't even hear you. Okay, here we go, guys. And don't listen to my sister. She's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna put fire on her. Die, 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 die. Ooh, fire is all over the place. Okay, have a like a stabber or something. Have a helper monkey. I didn't even read them. I just started reading them. Shut up! Oh my god. Okay, someone killed me, guys. Hold up, guys. My sister is really. Hey, I hate your attitude. You take advantage. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the last round. And then I'm gonna have to say bye-bye. But yeah. Okay, here we go. Did you guys check out my last video? Oh my god. What's the hell? What the heck? Huh? I don't care. Be good, be bad, be bad. Be good. Be good, obviously. How would anyone be bad? If someone picks be bad, I'm going to hate them for the rest of their lives. So yeah. Oh my god, 4 people picked B-Bad. That's crazy, dude. Like, who would do that? Ah! Oh no, oh no. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm trying to kill someone. I'm trying to kill all. Oh my god, they killed me. Oh god. Anyways, guys. So, guys, I'm going to stop the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my new avatar, please comment down below and I will reply. And I don't want any mean comments in the comments, whatever section. Because I've had a lot of them from my friends. Okay, anyways, guys. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!